Hi, it's Dr. Mora, operating on shoulders, on left shoulder. So this patient had previous labral repair, it didn't heal. And I think part of the reason it didn't heal is the immobilization was probably not right, and then also maybe the preparation. So this is what you have to do. If you want this labrum to heal back this bone, what you have to do is you have to prepare it, just like woodworking. A woodworker, before they attach two pieces of wood together, they have to roughen up the two surfaces, and then they compress. That's how you do it in woodworking. So here's the same thing. I roughened up the bony side, I roughened up the labral side. We're going to put an anchor in here, and we're going to compress it, just like wood clamps.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the two sutures that I've already put in here to compress this labrum. See, I can't pull it apart anymore. So these anchors act like wood clamps. We prep the gap. We put these wood clamp like anchors to compress, and then we're going to wait by mobilizing the patient, and it should heal with time.